Sometimes we focus so much on communication as a way of getting things done that we forget that the core of communicating is connecting with other people. Hi, I'm Costanza Miller, a coach and facilitator at Spoken with Authority. I earned a PhD in communication from the University of Maryland, and I spent 24 years on the full-time faculty of the George Washington University. In my coaching work, I love to help people feel more comfortable and confident about public speaking, to help them hone their message so that it will be truly impactful for an audience. And I love helping them learn how to engage the audience to make public speaking more interactive. Some of the big wins I remember most with certain clients are the person who wanted to advocate for a controversial policy at work. And after honing the message and developing some courage, she did that and got that policy implemented. Or the client who I was working with on engaging people and telling stories, who had the opportunity to attend a memorial service for a dear friend. And when asked if anyone would like to say anything, he did. He told a story that was impactful for the audience as others told them how much it meant to them. And this was something he said he wouldn't have done without the training. Or the executive who was already a good public speaker, but wanted to be even better and wanted to feel good in the moment. Well, she had such a success with one of her high-stakes presentations that she framed a photo of herself at the lectern and keeps it hanging on her office wall so that she can always be reminded of how great she felt in that moment. These are just a few examples of some of the rewarding experiences I've had coaching, and I look forward to working with you.